Okay, everyone, welcome back to Win English. And for today's video, we're going to talk about daily routine. So, the things that you do in your daily life from waking up until going to bed again. Okay, so let's start with the rules first, maybe. Yeah. So, when you are talking about your daily routine, you can use a simple present tense. Yeah, subject plus verb. So the simple present tense is used to talk about daily routines or repeated actions, habitual actions, something like that. So you can use this to talk about your daily routine. Okay, so for the first, maybe we will talk about the morning routine vocabulary. Yeah, so let's start in the morning. Here are some common things we do when we wake up. So the first is like wake up. I wake up at 6 a.m. Then get up. I get up and leave the bed and brush my teeth. I brush my teeth in the bathroom. Take a shower. I take a shower every morning and then get dressed. I get dressed for work or school and then have breakfast. I have eggs and toast for breakfast. Okay, so that's how you say about your daily routine in the morning. So, what time do you wake up? Okay, next part is daytime routine vocabulary. Let's talk about what we usually do during the day. You can say go to school or go to work. I go to school at 7:30 a.m. or I go to work at 8 a.m. And then you can say study or work, like I study English, I study from 8 to 12 p.m. And then eat lunch or have lunch. I eat lunch at 12 p.m. Next, you can say maybe talk with friends. Yeah, like after lunch, I usually talk with my friends in the cafeteria. And then you can also say something like use computer or smartphone. Yeah. During the day, I usually use my computer, my laptop, or my smartphone to check about the recent news. Okay. Now let's move to the next part, the evening routine vocabulary. In the evening, there are some common things that we usually do. For example, like go home. I go home at 4 p.m. and then take a rest or relax. I usually take a rest after arriving at home. Next, you can say watch TV or YouTube. I watch videos on YouTube to relax. Next, you can say have dinner. I usually have dinner at around 7 p.m. And then maybe you can do homework or do assignments if you are a student. Or read a book maybe. I usually do my homework after dinner, or I usually read a book to spend my evening time. So, what do you do after school or after work? Okay, next part is the night routine vocabulary. Before going to bed, here is what many people do. Take a shower again, or maybe wash my face. I usually take a shower at 9 before going to bed. And then brush my teeth again. I brush my teeth before going to bed. Set an alarm. Yeah, I usually set my alarm for the next morning before going to bed. And then go to bed. Obviously, I go to bed around 10 p.m. every night. And then fall asleep. I fall asleep quickly. Okay. So what time do you go to sleep? Okay, so I think you can use these vocabularies to talk about your daily routine. It's not that hard, so you can practice it with friends. Yeah. If you find that this video is helpful, you can like, comment, and subscribe. And come here again next week to see another video. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Bye.